If you've been looking for cutting-edge AI software to streamline your business processes, then you're in the right place. In today's review of LinkedCRM AI, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. LinkedCRM is making waves right now, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this software can do for you, how it stacks up against other tools, and why it could be the game changer your business needs. First off, let's talk about what LinkedCRM does and why it's so exciting. This software is designed to enhance your customer relationship management by leveraging AI technology. It seamlessly integrates with your LinkedIn account, allowing you to automate lead generation, follow-ups, and even customer segmentation. Imagine cutting down the time spent on these tasks by 50%, all while enhancing the quality of your outreach. That's what LinkedCRM brings to the table. One of the most impressive aspects of LinkedCRM is its powerful AI-driven lead scoring system. Unlike traditional CRM tools, this system evaluates your leads based on their likelihood to convert, saving you time and helping you focus your energy on high-quality prospects. By using LinkedCRM's smart algorithms, you're not just gathering leads, you're targeting the right leads, maximizing the potential for successful conversions. Another standout feature is its automation capabilities. From automatically sending follow-up emails to scheduling outreach, LinkedCRM can do all of it. The AI doesn't just perform simple tasks either. It learns from your interactions and optimizes its processes over time. This means that as you use it, the software gets better at knowing when and how to reach out to your leads for maximum engagement. What really sets LinkedCRM apart from other tools, though, is its deep LinkedIn integration. Most CRM software can pull in data from social media, but LinkedCRM uses AI to extract and analyze detailed insights directly from LinkedIn profiles. It understands the nuances of your connections and provides you with actionable data you can use to craft more personalized and effective communication. Now, let's dive into something that every marketer wants to know. How user-friendly is it? The beauty of LinkedCRM is that it doesn't require any advanced technical knowledge to use. The interface is intuitive and setup takes just a few minutes. Whether you're new to CRM software or an experienced user, you'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate. If you're concerned about scalability, LinkedCRM has you covered. Whether you're running a solo business or managing a team of salespeople, the software scales with your needs. You can manage multiple LinkedIn accounts and monitor team performance through a single dashboard. Plus, its robust reporting features give you a clear picture of how your campaigns are performing, helping you tweak strategies in real time. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick bonus tip. LinkedCRM allows you to manage your LinkedIn network like never before. It's not just about sending messages, it's about fostering relationships. The AI helps you nurture your connections, ensuring that your communication feels natural and authentic, which, as we all know, leads to better results. And here's the best part. You can try LinkedCRM for completely free through the first link in the description below. That's right. Before you even think about committing, you can explore how LinkedCRM works for your business. After reviewing thousands of AI tools, I've found a select few that stand out. And LinkedCRM is definitely one of them. If you're ready to see how AI can transform your LinkedIn outreach and CRM, I recommend giving it a try today. I've also included some of my favorite AI tools in the description below, ones that I've personally tested and would recommend to anyone serious about leveling up their business. Take advantage of these offers and see for yourself which ones make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore the links below to dive deeper into the world of AI-powered software.